Here are 7 verbs you can use with time. First, learn these verbs with examples, and at the end, test yourself with a quick quiz. Let's get started. Number 1, spend time. You can spend time with your family and friends. Number 2, waste time. You can waste time scrolling on your phone. Number 3, save time. You can save time by planning ahead. Number 4, track time. You can track your time to be more productive. Number 5, schedule time. You can schedule your time for important tasks. Number 6, manage time. You can manage your time wisely to get more done. Number 7, kill time. You can kill time by watching videos while waiting. Great job! Let's see how much you remember. It's time for a little quiz. Which verb means to use time wisely and carefully? What verb do we use when we record how much time we are using? If you don't use time well, what verb describes using time on important things like family and work? If you do something early so you don't waste time later. Great job! Each question is worth 10 points, so your total score is out of 50. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments. And if you want to keep improving your English, check out more videos in the Power Moves playlist. See you next time.